Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Code with Omar. In this video, we learn to make a header. There are two ways to make the header: first, using AI, second, using apps if you need to code. Monthly? No problem. You do that. Our lucky winners are Jessica Books Be Positive and Velizo TV. If you want to be lucky winner, then comment your country name, okay? Stop all the chatter, let's get started. First, open your desktop. Then right-click and click on New and open a new folder, then name it. Completely your choice. I name it CSS Ultra Course 1. Then open it and right-click again and click on Open with Code. I am using Visual Studio Code. If you are using Notepad or Xatrix Satra, no problem, you do. This will take some time to load. If you have a fast PC, then it will be open in seconds, but I am using a slow PC, but it's not take very time to load anything. So wait. See, there is an error show, but ignored it. See, it's open. Then click on Yes, I trust authors. Then click on New File and create a file named index.html, and it's necessary to name it index.html. Okay, but if you want to change, you can, but just index, not HTML. HTML is necessary. Then go to google.com. You use any browsers you want. Then search for ChatGPT and open it. Then write a prompt: hey, ChatGPT, give me a massive header code in HTML CSS, and I give this prompt in description box. Then ChatGPT start giving code. Wait for a second. Scroll down. Finally, it's end. Then copy the code and paste it on Notepad. Then click on Open with Live Server and open it on Live Server. Wait for a second. Wow, so beautiful header. What an animation. I give it 10 out of 10. You guys give rating on comment. I don't see this type of header in my life. This is first time. If you want this code, go to ChatGPT and write the prompt or paste the prompt. Okay. Next is app. It's Bootstrap. Write Bootstrap on browser and open. Wait for load. After it's load, open it. Then go to Docs and find components. I don't have any interest in Bootstrap. It feels like a waste of time. But I want to teach you, so I have to do it. In Components, find the navbar and go. Scroll down and find the code and copy it. Then open a new file and named it index2.html. It's optional, but HTML is necessary. Then generate a boilerplate code using exclamation mark and enter. It's so easy. And give a name to your code. I give header, it's completely optional. Then paste the code you copy in Bootstrap. And again, click on Open with a live server. What is this? There is no CSS in this code. Finding some good code for some amazing results? Oh, a good code. But the result is bad. Don't forget to, comment, subscribe. Pick your next challenge.